How to sign up for a Hyperwallet account. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to sign up for a Hyperwallet account. First, open Google Chrome and search for Hyperwallet Sign Up. Then, click on the first link that appears in the search results to access the sign up page. On the sign up form, start by entering your first and last name in the required fields. Next, provide your email address, company name, and phone number in the designated sections. After that, set up your account details by creating a unique user ID and a strong password. Make sure to choose a password that is secure and easy for you to remember. Then, complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm that you're not a robot. Finally, click on the Submit button to finish the process. Your Hyperwallet account will now be created, and you will receive a confirmation email with further instructions. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.